It's August 17th, 2024, and just started up the Volvo. We rebuilt the motor, put in a new cam and lifters, all the solid lifters in it. The valves are good, so we didn't do a valve job on it because it was pumping 150 pounds per cylinder, so we left well enough alone. And there's no ridge on the cylinder block, so we left the pistons and the rings in it. But we put in new cam bearings and also new crank bearings. But as you can hear it, it's one of the best running Volvos that I've ever heard of. You know, after being rebuilt, it's just so smooth. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it.